Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video I would like to review and show all available gestures on this device. So let's launch settings, then open the additional settings category, then gesture shortcuts. Here you have the full list of gestures, shortcuts, motions, whatever, that are really available to us. So to begin with, we have the Google Assistant quick launch, which you gotta turn on in order for it to work. So switch on this little toggle over here, make it blue. Now we can hold the power button for 0.5 seconds.
I'm yours.
And as you can see, the Google Assistant gets launched right away. Next is the gesture for the screenshot. So here you can also turn them on or off respectively. So the first one that we can use is to slide 3 fingers down like so. And the next one is to simultaneously press the volume down and power keys like so. Here we have it as well. Next one in the agenda is the partial screenshot, which we can take by, the gesture for which is pressing and holding with our 3 fingers at any display space we want to. So here we have it. Now we'll select the area that we would like to take a screenshot of and then save it. Or if you don't want to save it, you can do whatever else you're interested in. And the final gesture for this video is, well, the camera quick launch. So we can either do that by double pressing the power button like so, or we can also, not the Google Assistant, we can also do that by simultaneously, double pressing the volume down when the screen is locked. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.